Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bree. I know. I've been gone for a minute and it's been a lot going on, but I'm here, I'm back, and it's fall. So because it is like a transitioning period in terms of like the weather, I just decided that I want to like start off coming back to you guys and bring more videos through this period. So I decided that I'm gonna do like a fall rainbow kind of look. So if you notice, my eyeshadow is burgundy, and it is because it's fall. So it's giving very much sweater weather, being cozy, like comfortable. And I just decided that I want to make a nice cute look. There's a bit of an update with my makeup routine, but you know, I just really wanted to make a video, just get into the groove back again and like kickstart this thing. But if you'd like to see how I got this look, make sure you keep on watching, and I hope you come back to see more of my videos. I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. That's usually the first thing I do in my makeup routine. So we are gonna prime our faces first. You know the drill. Hydro Grip primer, best thing ever. And I put some on my eyebrows too because it gives my brow some sort of stiffness to it. Has them fall in place when I am doing my brows. So always prime my brows first. I'm also gonna be putting on this lip mask while I'm doing my makeup, so that way my lips are nice and soft when we get to the lip part. And it's a apple and Boom glow lip mask. So I'm gonna go in. If you follow me on Instagram, I did like a whole brow tutorial, so you'll just see like bits and pieces of me doing my brows, because brows take forever, honestly. For me at least, it still takes forever because I always want it perfect. This is something that I probably could never get like under control, really. I'm gonna go with the spoolie, but yeah, I can never get my eyebrows like to be done in like, some people could do them in like 10 minutes or less. I can't do that. Like, my brows have to look a certain way, and I can never achieve them fast. Like, I have to go slow, or I have to take my time in order to achieve the look. And sometimes even then, I don't get the look that I want, but what else? For this part, I'm not really gonna go into detail. I'm just gonna really show you what I'm doing, and that's really it. I'm not gonna really talk through this process. So, because my routine is changed, but I'll probably just do a separate video for that. So brows are done, and now I'm gonna do eyeshadow. Being that it is fall, like we're gonna do a fall look, so I had the idea of every week I'm gonna post a new video with like a fall rainbow. So today I'm gonna start with burgundy. Being that we're in the season, I might as well. And I've been doing more eyeshadow looks, and I just want to do one, so why not? So I am gonna see what kind of eyeshadow look I'm gonna do. I don't really be doing like super fancy-ish things. However, I do like how my eyeshadow has been coming out as of late. I just be trying stuff. So I'm probably gonna be going in with this palette. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. This palette. This is the Hip Dot. I don't know, like it's the Hip Dot Xeon palette. And then I'm gonna go into my OG Boss Mood Morphe palette and do my eyeshadow look, like get my eyeshadow colors from there, because I'm gonna do a burgundy look. I'm gonna start off with a first of all, I'm gonna start off with priming my eyelids. That's first of all. Can't do anything. Well, I can, but the joke will be on me if I don't prime these bad boys. Gonna be using this Morphe 173 bus. Blend it out. Okay, so I'm gonna use like a tannish brown and base my my lids. So I'm gonna go in with a burgundy like base, because I find when you do the darker shades at the bottom, it's easier to the lighter shades you can bring out at the top. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so I'm kind of liking this look, and it's like very like, I only use 2 shadows. My palette has broken apart, but I use this one and I use this glittery one. I just kept packing it on top. I'm thinking of just blowing it out a little bit and giving it just like a more like blown out effect, like smoky effect, and that's it, because I don't really want to do much. I kind of like it like that, like and do like a thin liner. I'm actually gonna just do my liner now. I usually wait till the end, but I want to see how this is gonna look. Okay, so now it's time for a full face. So I am going to do my foundation, concealer, blush, and so on. Oh, so I have been using this Lancôme tinted, it's called a Tint Idol Ultra Wear. It's a foundation, and I am in the color or the shade 500 W. So I've been loving this, and I've been using this ever since I bought it over the summer, and it's like my favorite now. Like, this is probably my favorite, and then become Too Faced. So I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 707 brush and kind of like paint it on my face a little bit before I blend it out. Like, oh my gosh, you guys. Yo, this foundation is making my skin look like velvet right now. I love it, I love it, I love it. Like, I can just see like in the forehead area. Flawless. I'm gonna go on my Rumour translucent powder and give it a good pat underneath the eyelids. So from here, I'm gonna do setting powders, bronzer, and blush. So for blush, I'm gonna probably use one of these colors in the palette, or like maybe even the same color that I use on my eyeshadow and make the blush. I'm gonna use this blush brush, but it's kind of big for the palette, so I'm gonna dip it in at like an angle like this so I can get it. So now I'm gonna do my mascara, I'm gonna do my lashes, and I'm gonna do a lip. So I'm gonna go on with the OG Milk my face. So I'm back and this is the final look. I did my lashes, brown and nude lip combo, and I just threw my hair up. It's in curls, so I just put it up. And this is the final look. So it's giving very much, I'm like so excited because it's giving very much fall. It's like sweater weather. It's like I want to be cozy and cute at the same time. Like, give me a hot cup of hot cocoa. I was gonna say hot cup of joe, but hot cup of cocoa. Like, it's giving very much here. Like, I love it. Like, I love this transitioning period for the weather. Like, I don't know, I just really like now that I can wear like some of my sweaters and stuff like that. So I'm excited about this weather. But yes, this is the look. If you like this tutorial, make sure you like down below, comment what your favorite part was, or comment if you want me to do any other routines or anything you would like me to try. And most of all, subscribe to my channel. But thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next video. Bye.